Friends, today we are going to learn about robot. Do you know the robot?
Yes.
Yes, several type of robots are there. Many times you have seen the robots in the TV. Yes or no?
Yes.
Robots are working different ways. Sometimes robot fighting us. Robot does the fighting us. Yes or no?
Yes.
Actually, you have mainly seen the robot in a TV. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now see what the robot can do. See, several types of robots are generally classified. Several types of robots are there. It means several type मतलब बहुत सारे रोबोट बनाए गए हैं और that for the different works. A robot can work very hard and very fast. Very hard and very fast. The man cannot do the work very fast like a robot, but robot will do the work within a few seconds, within few minutes. Even robot can give you the answer very fast, like AI robots. See now, all robots do not have real feelings, emotions like us. If the robot will get the emotions and the feelings, it will be dangerous for the human man. See, we have the feelings. We have feelings, sense. When we get this one, we come to know that somebody has done this job to us, correct? But robot doesn't do like that. See, whatever the brain is put in the robot by the computer, by the man, that only robot does. He doesn't have the feelings. Even he cannot cry. Robot cannot cry. Even robot cannot talk with you. For that I want food. Like us, we are eating food. Correct? And then we are getting the energy. But robot, what the robot wants? Robot wants battery, electricity, charging machine. Everything is there. If the robot will have feelings, that will be dangerous for the man.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
We have feelings. हम लोग जैसे प्यार करते हैं, हमारे माता पिता, हमारे बहन भाई जैसे हम एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार करते हैं, वैसा रोबोट कर नहीं सकता. उसको फीलिंग्स नहीं है. इवन दो इमोशंस, हम देखो अगर माता पिता ने हमें कुछ नहीं दिया, साइकिल नहीं दी, तो हम लेके रोते हैं, मुझे साइकिल नहीं दी. वैसा रोबोट रो सकता है क्या? मुझे ये नहीं दिया, मुझे वो नहीं दिया. नो, ही कैन नॉट क्राई. ही कैन नॉट टेल दैट आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दैट. नो. Whatever man is providing to the robot, robot is doing that. And whatever computer is telling to the robot do the action, then the robot is doing. See, what work robots can do? Robots can do many works. Robot can do many works. Which work is not possible for the man? Which work is not possible for the man? That work is possible for the robot. The tough work, hard work, robot can do. Even within few seconds, within few minutes, robot can finish many work. Robots are working in big factories, in the hospitals, even though anywhere in the army. Yes, robots are working everywhere, and very hard work is robot doing, and even very fast. Here it is, a computer processes brain. The whatever, see, I told you, robot doesn't have the feelings, emotions, and anything else. Whatever the robot is doing, all the things, all the brain is put in the robot by computer. Correct? तुम लोग अब जत्रा में जाते हो नहीं?
Yes.
रिमोट की गाड़ी लेते हो ना? इधर वो गाड़ी उधर चल रही, तुम इधर बटन दबा दो. इसको ऐसा घुमा तो इधर घूमती है. पीछे आगे किया तो आगे जाती है ना? Yes or no? Yeah, that is also one kind of robot, छोटा robot. Yeah, these big robots also have the machines. All this one. All the things is kept in the robot by the computer, and the big scientists are making the robot. For that they put the brain in the robot. Brain in the robot. Who has given us brain? हमें ये brain किसने दी है? भगवान ने दी. किसने दी है? ईश्वर ने हमें ये ब्रेन दी है, और हमें फीलिंग्स भी दिए हैं, हमें प्यार भी दिया है, और हमें इमोशन भी दिए हैं. वैसे रोबोट को किसने बनाया है? साइंटिस्ट मतलब मानुष है ना. It is a man-made robot. That is why it cannot have the feelings, it cannot have the emotions. और हम लोगों के पास जैसे इमोशन है, फीलिंग्स है, वैसे रोबोट को नहीं रह सकते. लेकिन रोबोट कैन वर्क वेरी टफ. समझ आ रहे ना? रोबोट बहुत सारे आज ऐसे देखो, टुडे इज AI सिस्टम, करेक्ट?
Yes.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. That is why the robots are progressed very high brain. That in the robot they have kept hybrid. If you ask one question, robot gives you the 10 answers. Correct? Then after, based on the programming, यहाँ पे AI, you know the AI. We use mobile. Correct? We use computer, we use TV. There are many things. And you know now we are in the 5G, 6G. So whatever we are asking to the mobile, Google, it gives the answer very fast. AI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, जैसे हमें भगवान ने बुद्धि दी है, हमें भगवान ने दी है, वैसे आदमी ने एक रोबोट के अंदर बुद्धि डाली है ना? आर्टिफिशियल, कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता. क्या? कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता. उसे भगवान ने दी है क्या? नहीं. उसे किसने दी है वो बुद्धि? साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने दी है. अब जितने भी साइंटिस्ट लोग उसे करने को बोलेंगे वो उतना करता है. समझ आ रहा है ना? उसे अगर तुमने एक झापड़ मारी तो उसको समझ में आती कि मुझे झापड़ मारी किसने? उसको अगर तुम लोग बोले रोने को तो रोएगा क्या वो? नहीं. उसको अगर तुम लोग बोले प्यार करो, करेगा क्या वो? नहीं. अगर तुम लोग उसे बोलते हो मुझे खाना परोसो तो परोसेगा, मुझे खाना बना के दे तो बनेगा, है ना? अगर तुम लोग बोलते मेरे कपड़े धो तो धोएगा. Yes, robot can do many things, but robot doesn't have the feelings. क्या नहीं है उसको? Feelings. No, robot doesn't have the feelings. Robot cannot love or robot cannot have emotions. जैसे हमारे पास बहुत सारे इमोशंस है ना? टीचर ने 2 फटके लगाए, तुम लोग मुझे मारा. घर पे मम्मी पापा ने अगर तुम्हें कुछ चॉकलेट नहीं दिया, साइकिल नहीं दिया और तुम्हें कुछ गुड़िया नहीं लाके दी तो तुम लोग क्या बोलो? हाँ बोला नहीं दे, लेकिन तुम्हें रुस्ता लगा नहीं. रोबोट कर सकता है ऐसा? उससे इमोशन ही नहीं है. Do you understand what is the robot? Robot, there are many types of robot for the different works, and there are many to work, and according to that the robot has made. Even the army, hospitals, and that many things. Correct? Robots are working nowadays. Do you understand about robot? Now what you have to do as a homework? You have to design one robot by the card sheets. What you have to do? What you have to do? Robot. Design one robot by the card sheets and put something battery, cells, so that it can work. Yes or no? As we need the food, हम लोगों को चलने के लिए क्या चाहिए? खाना चाहिए नहीं? खाना खाने के बाद हमें पावर आता है. रोबोट को क्या खाने के बाद पावर आता है? बैटरी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, है ना? उससे लाइट जब चार्ज करेंगे तभी तो वो काम करेगा, नहीं तो वो ढुस हो जाएगा. ऐसा ना? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में आया रोबोट? वेरी गुड, फाइन.